Doing a little bit of coyote hunting this morning. Didn't have any luck over here on this ridge. I'm gonna try that other ridge and see what happens.
Get some of those coyotes.
I want to go back behind the house.
Go ahead. It is chaos this morning in the camper after breakfast. He didn't catch any coyotes, but he did catch some crazy kids.
You don't catch coyotes.
You kill them.
You kill them.
Sorry, it's not trap season, I know. Look at all these toys. Oh my lord. I'm having an anxiety attack. Throw it at Daddy. Alright, what are you working on the house today?
Siding.
Again, on the garage?
Maybe F channel.
Okay.
We are heading over to the house to get some work done. James has already been over at the house working all day. He just came back for a little break, and now we're going back over to get a little bit more done. Here we go!
James got all the siding on the front of the garage done. Now we just need to get the stone there on the front. But over here, he's got some more done over there. Hi, Elias. You're so silly. And yesterday, James and his dad got all the white quail trim stock along the porch. And then they also got it done a lot over on this side. About 3/4 of the way done. So there's still some more to do over on this side and then the whole back of the house. But to make a progress. All right, what do you need me to do?
Will you help me measure this? Take
Yeah.
the dumb end.
The dumb end?
Yep, take the dumb end down here and I'll go up here and take a measurement.
Why is this the dumb end?
Oh, because you don't have to read the measurement.
James! Anthony! Gosh, you're gonna be in trouble.
Come on, Mom, let's go back.
Okay, let's go back. We're going back to the camper. Good evening. We are out without the kids on a date night. We're doing multiple things tonight. First, we're going to get me a new carry concealed gun. The carry concealed gun that I've had since I turned 21 and I'm 28. So I've had it for years and I really like it. It's a revolver, it's a Ruger 38, but I really want something that's more of like a true carry concealed gun. So we're gonna go pick me out a new gun and then we're going out to dinner. And then after that, we're going to Menards and buying a bunch of stuff for the house. Most important thing that I'm getting is our chandelier that I want really bad for the foyer and hopefully the kitchen. No, not an antler chandelier. And then the flooring, we're gonna pick out the flooring for the house. What else are we getting?
Probably some outside lights.
Outside lights.
Some miscellaneous.
And other random things, so stay tuned. We got my gun. Now James is playing with it. That's where we got it from, Triggers, our favorite gun shop.
Very nice.
Good morning. So last night we did not get everything we needed at Menards, but we did get some stuff. So it's the next day, obviously. James and his dad just went coyote hunting. Did you get anything?
No.
Did you see any coyotes?
No, we got the neighbor dogs all stirred up though.
Anyway, so we're gonna eat breakfast. I made pancakes for the boys here. His dad's here, and then his brother, Uncle B's coming over too, so they're gonna eat breakfast, and we're gonna go work on the house. Here we go. Show me what you did to get the neighbor dogs riled up. Are they going crazy?
Yeah. the dog started howling like crazy.
That's funny. That thing's pretty loud.
That's nothing.
Oh gosh! I'm gonna blow my ears off. Alright, let's eat so we can get some work done. I conned James into shooting my gun with me a few times before he goes over to the house to work on it. I'm doing a lot of conning. I conned him into a date last night. Now I'm conning him into shooting my gun instead of working on the house. I must have some powers that I'm unaware of.
Mm-hmm.
Booyah! Again?
Yeah. Very nice.
I like that I can, with the trigger, I like that you can pull it back halfway and hold it while I steady and then squeeze it to shoot. I like that it has that. It's just a nice gun. It shoots easy.
Go ahead and empty your clip. Very good. Very nice shooting.
I like it. What a beautiful day to be working on the house. They're working on putting siding on the back of the garage right now. It's really muddy outside. And James is working over here on the breezeway on putting this soffit in to this section so we can finish putting the siding right there on the garage. There's a lot of very meticulous tiny cuts he's got to make with that J and F channel, so it's pretty time consuming. Got it. That looks good.
I think that is how it's supposed to be.
Got this done. Looks good. And Donald Duck is in here making all the cuts on the siding.
I'm in here making all the noise.
He's in here making all the noise. And then he's handing them to Uncle B out here who's putting them on the back of the garage.
Dad,
What?
cut the next one at 87. How's it coming over here? Are they done yet? Lord.
They're getting really close.
Man. Cool.
The back of the garage is done. James is working over here on this side again, on the breezeway. These are some of the lights that we bought at Menards last night. We're gonna try to put them up on the garage. He already did all the wiring. Now he's just gotta put it together with the wire nuts.
All right.
Yay! Lunchtime. My life. Uncle B. Son Saray brought us KFC for lunch. How's it, babe?
Good.
How is it, Donald Duck? Do you feel rejuvenated to get a bunch more work done?
Not a bunch more, but a little.
A little.
Little more.
Levi. Hi.
I'll be able to go for another hour or so.
He's all bundled up. The last piece is on. Hi, Elias. Elias wanted to take a ride on Tiger Lily, so even though it's like 30 degrees outside, it's very cold, we are out here taking a ride on our girl. Say hi.
Hi.
And Tiger Lily is eating carrots behind me, and so is Elias. What you eating, bud? Carrots, yep. And so's our girl. And I am gonna put her hair in braids. So here we go. Just got her hair done and she looks beautiful. All right, James just got home from work. We just ate chili, so we just had dinner. We are refueled, so we're gonna go over to the house to get some stuff done. We both work tomorrow, so we can't be up too late. What are we working on tonight?
Probably some soffit, maybe putting that new corner trim that I busted. Have to replace.
Oh yeah, he busted one of the corner trims on the garage, so we had to buy a new one. We only needed 2 feet of this thing, but we had to buy a 10-foot piece because that's all it comes in. And it was, how much, $50?
$50.
$50 for this much of
I
stuff.
don't know how they sleep at night.
Whatever. All right, we just made it over here, and the boys are running around on the porch. And James is over there working on the garage. Back here on the back part of the garage, that little piece you see right there is what James just replaced with the new piece. That and that corner on that side is where he accidentally hit it with a hammer and shattered it. So he replaced that little piece. That goes up to the top there. And he is currently over here on the front part of the garage, adding some caulk.
Did you hear that pow pow?
What pow pow?
That pow pow that somebody spotted deer.
Yes, it's one of our neighbors shooting deer. All right, so now we are working on putting the J channel on. Sorry, this is F channel. Around the 3 Seasons room here, so we can put all the soffit underneath the roof there.
Good job, hon.
Thanks, babe. He's being sarcastic. Ugh. Whoa! Don't go in. They are having entirely too much fun running around on the driveway. All right, back to work. So I worked the past 2 nights at the hospital, and I forgot to record today the progress that James made on those 2 evenings. So he got the rest of the soffit done.
That's not soffit.
I'm sorry, not soffit.
That is just the trim coil that I
Trim
wrapped
coil.
around the beam on the porch.
So he got all the aluminum trim coil around here. He got this back part of the wraparound porch, and then he got all of the side done, and then he got the rest in the front of the porch there. So like it's almost all done now, except for just this 3 Seasons room and back on the other side. That's it.
I did good, didn't I?
You did. Looks really good, Mr. Handsome.
That would be me.
Here. James is putting up the first piece of soffit on the 3 Seasons room. got it done. We got the soffit up on that part of the Three Seasons room, and we got the trim coil stock. But as you can hear, the kids are getting fussy, so I gotta go back and get them ready for bed so we can go to work tomorrow. Good night.